Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language lessons we offer. Last week in one of my classes we were looking at one of my very favourite reading texts from the Outcomes Advanced book, which I co-authored with Andrew Walkley. This text is adapted from a great book called The Living Dead by David Bolchover. And it's basically about a guy who lands a plum job, a really good job, in a huge company with offices in London. And very quickly he realises that basically there's nothing for him to do and that no one's really watching him or expecting him to do anything. So essentially he goes AWOL. He goes absent without leave. And he spends his time pottering around London, going to exhibitions, sitting in the park and reading books. And we were talking in class about how such a thing might be possible. And I said one of the problems is that in companies that are that large, basically, it's very, very difficult to keep tabs on everyone. If you keep tabs on someone or on something, you basically watch it very carefully to see what it's doing. So maybe you try to keep tabs on your bank account to make sure that you don't spend so much. Depending on where you live, you might be worried about the degree to which the government are keeping tabs on what you post, what you say, who you message on social media. When you've got activists or subversive groups and individuals, you can be sure that the security forces will be keeping tabs on their movements. And maybe you try to keep tabs on how much you eat, or you try to keep tabs on how much you spend to stop things getting out of control. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people find out about these things. Please do share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use keep tabs on.